It's time for the X9 portable system from China. Let's test out some MAME games. Welcome back to the YouTube channel Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to do a little bit of extended testing of the X9 and let's see if the games are running fine. Let's start with MAME and let's start with Cadillac and Dinosaurs. Let's check out how the game's running and I'm pretty damn curious. Alright, let's go. Let's play some games. Alright, press start. Sound is a little bit off. King Arthur. Got some amazing soundtracks. So for the final conclusion, MAME is not arcade perfect, not at all. If you're really going to be picky about it, I see some things in the frame rate that is not like it should be. And the music is a little bit off sometimes. But in overall, it's just playable. So let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And see you next time. Bye bye.